How to use Airbnb for long-term stays. Are you guys facing issues to use Airbnb for long-term stays? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. If you want to stay somewhere for a long period of time, for weeks or even months, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you start by entering a destination in the search bar. Once you search the location, just simply again tap on search bar. As soon as you search for it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for when. Just simply tap on when, and you can see this option for dates, months, and flexible. If you are planning to stay for more than 20 days, just simply tap on months. You can select the date for 2 months or even 3 months. If you are planning to stay for 1 month, then just simply switch it to 1 month and tap on next. As soon as you click on next, Airbnb will automatically show long-term stays options. Now just simply tap on search, tap filters and scroll down to find type of place. Choose entire place or full for IBC. Amenities like Wi-Fi, kitchen, washing machine, workspace, monthly stays or long-term discounts. So you can see this option for if you want to stay in this guest house for 1 month, it's gonna take $233 for monthly. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna find Airbnb for long-term stays. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.